Queen City. What's up, Charlotte? It's your girl T Strong, and I'm here once again for another episode of All About Style. And I am the Style Maven, of course. And today we're going to be working with a male makeover subject. We've never done that before, so this is a first for Speaking Fashionese. A lot more comfortable. That's what I like to hear. Right, so we're one step closer to where we need to be. Okay, the chaos continues to ensue, but it's good. Organized chaos. I absolutely love it. This is where I get super excited about being backstage at a fashion show with the fabulous, beautiful Little Kim. How are you?
So sweet. You're so cute. I love her.
I loved her, though. I will say that she's one of my favorites, my all-time favorites. Yeah.
Well, that's good. So we have something in common. So tell me, what's your definition of style?
It may be broad, but it's definitely true. Style is all about, just being yourself, just showing who you are and then portraying that through your fashion.
Wait a minute. You personally custom make the lipstick?
I personally custom make the lipsticks.
Okay, interview over. This is my new friend. No, I'm kidding. No, I'm kidding. Still backstage and enjoying all of the interesting designs that I'm seeing, and I'm standing here with one of my favorites and a friend as well. This is Mr. Luis Samachakau. Yes?
Yes, ma'am. You did it right.
So talk about your designs. Tell us what we're going to see on the runway.
T-Strong, I love what you're wearing tonight.
Thank you so much. Shout out to the dressing room for this. And Davita, that's my stylist. She's the only one I allow to style me when I'm not styling me. There's so many stylish people here. So thank you for recognizing them. And thank you for recognizing me in the past and putting me in the Hall of Fame.
Absolutely. You deserve it.
Thank you so much. Here's our Life and Style Tip of the Week. It's been so warm lately, I'm thinking that spring is starting to look a lot more like summer. Here are 4 easy ways to create your style cheat sheet for the hottest looks of the season. I know we all love our stilettos, but isn't it nice to be able to wear effortlessly chic footwear every now and again? If you want a classic peep toe style with a lot of flair, something like this is what I would choose. In fact, I did. But most important question to ask yourself is, does this flatter my body type? Don't forget that proper sizing and proportional dressing is important. So if the trend you're considering is unflattering on your body, give it a pass. I've got a little checklist for you. Here are 5 must-have items for the season and your guide for what's hot in fashion. So if you still don't have all these essentials just yet, time is of the essence. Get out there and shop. Style and music kind of go hand in hand, and you started out modeling. What was that experience like?
I never considered myself a model. They asked me to put on certain clothes, and I did, and look a certain kind of way and show up with a certain kind of muscle.
Well, I must say that you definitely changed the look of, as you flashed the teeth.